Hi, my name is Kim Ellis. I'm the Training and Development Specialist for Chorus IT. This video is a short tutorial to familiarize Chorus employees with an upgrade that has come to our email system. Most of your daily activities with email and Outlook will be unchanged, but there are some significant changes with certain functions that we will cover here so you are prepared for them. First, we will cover the changes in Outlook. While the search function is enhanced and will be quicker, the most interesting enhancement is its inclusion of attachments now. You can search for attachment names or even search through the text in the actual attachment. For example, if I wanted to search through my mailbox for an attachment that contained an April 2008 business plan, I would expand the query builder, and for the search criteria list, I would select Attachment Contains. Type out what you are looking for and hit Enter. One feature in Outlook that received a significant upgrade is the out-of-office assistant. You can exercise far more control over how your email is managed while you are away. When you open the out-of-office assistant now, you are presented with many more options. The first thing we notice is the tabs on the message text. With these, we can define a unique auto-reply for those emails that come from within Chorus as opposed to those we receive from external addresses such as clients or customers. For external addresses, you can also further refine this to limit auto-replies only to those people currently in your contacts list. We also now have the option to manage when the out-of-office options are active. If you want it active for only a few days or perhaps over a weekend, we can input the exact day and time when it will both turn on and off automatically. In addition to these enhancements, rules are available. With the ability to manage your out-of-office times, rules provide more value. For example, we can now have messages forwarded for certain periods only. Another significant upgrade in Outlook is found in our calendars. Scheduling has been enhanced in several areas, in particular with a feature called the Scheduling Assistant. When you create a new appointment and fill in your desired attendees, you now have the assistant along the right-hand side working with you to speed up resolving any conflicts with your desired schedule. The assistant will pore over the calendars of all attendees, taking into account the status of each for the meeting, required versus optional, and find the next available block of time for you. For those of you located in Liberty Village and 1 Dundas, the most significant change is the inclusion of boardrooms as resources. You will now be booking boardrooms and even projectors directly from your meeting request using the Add Rooms button in the Scheduling Assistant. Simply click that button, type in the name of the boardroom you would like to book, and click OK. This boardroom will now be included in your meeting and will show in the list of suggested times. You will see both the number of attendees as well as the number of resources available for the time you have selected. Once you find a time that works for everyone, simply click that time and click Send. Please note that you will no longer be able to book boardrooms through the public folders as you have in the past. If you want to see the availability of a boardroom, you must add it to your meeting request. Should a scheduling conflict arise, please contact the service desk and they will be happy to assist you. When accessing our Chorus email over the internet, we utilize Outlook Web Access, or OWA, through our internet browser. In the past, you got a slimmed-down version of an email client. Now you will find a robust email application letting you manage almost everything you could as if you were sitting at your desk. Let's review the changes now so that you can jump right in on your own. From the login screen, we see a couple of options available to you. By default, it is assumed you are browsing from a public computer. It is safest just to leave this as is, as changing it will have no effect on what you see within the client. One thing that will affect how many options you will see is the light versus full versions of OWA. You can only access the full version using Internet Explorer. If you are using Firefox or intentionally select the light version, there are some features that you will not have, such as the search function. Enter your credentials in the field at the bottom. These are the same credentials that you use to log into your computer when at work. If you are a regular user of Outlook Web Access, you will immediately notice that the interface looks more like Outlook now, with your mail, calendar, and contacts now showing on the left. Most of the standard functions of your Outlook client are available to you in OWA now. These include the new features we just talked about, including the enhanced out-of-office assistant and the scheduling assistant. You can also perform other functions that were unique to Outlook in the past, such as viewing multiple calendars. These changes will be rolled out to the company on a staggered schedule, so if you don't immediately notice the changes, they should be coming to you soon. As always, the service desk is available to answer any questions you might have about these changes.